Hey guys, so if you're looking for a way how you can connect your Blackshark V2 Pro to your Xbox One, I was looking here on some Razer forum, and the only way how you can do it is when you're gonna 3.5 jack connected to your controller, and you can see right here how this person has it. So he got a controller and he got connected through the adapter, the jack into it, right? Do you see that? So this is something that you want to do if you want to have it for your headphones. And now also, and someone wrote here, I tried a lot, I found a few after hours, doesn't work whilst into your controller and the headset. Press Xbox button, go to bottom right on sound and music. There you should see your headset being connected. Go on headset chat mixer and put one lower than max. That way my headset works. Don't ask me how, I don't know. So try this, maybe it's going to fix the help the issue. I just found this on this forum, and thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.